With the new iOS 18 update, the Mail app looks a bit different. I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to disable contact photos in the Mail app, and how to revert to the old Mail app view if you prefer the previous layout. Now let's get started. To disable contact photos in the Mail app on iPhone, open your settings. Scroll down and tap Apps at the bottom. Then select Mail. Tap the switch labeled Show Contact Photos to hide contact photos and business logos in your mail inbox. If you don't like the new category view in the Mail app, you can change it back to the old view. Tap the three dots in the top right corner, then select List View. That's all it takes to disable contact photos in the Mail app and how to change your inbox back to the old Mail app layout. To learn about more new updates and features in iOS 18, check out our full playlist of iOS 18 videos. Click the playlist on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.